Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. So I'm going to talk about how to create a database in SQL Server Management Studio. So as you can see, I'm already logged into Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, which is in short also called SSMS. In short, it is also called SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so how do I create a database, right? So with syntax, I'm going to do create a database and then name of the database. So in this case, I'm going to do sample db2. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this statement and then go ahead and execute up here, and you'll see a command completed successful message on the message box down here, which means this has been created. If I refresh this down here, you will see the sample db2 which we just created. This one has been created, and this is how you create. But there is another way you can also create the database, which is I would say it's a manual way, by right clicking on the database folder and new database. The pop-up window will open in a second here, and database name, you're going to give the database name. For example, I'm going to give a database name sample db3. Let's do that. Hit OK here, and boom, there you go. Sample db3 has been created. So we created this manually by right clicking on the database folder. However, we created the second one by this create statement. Now if you do not want or you want to delete the database, how can I do that? So either you can right click on the database itself and delete. That's a manual way to delete it. For example, let's go ahead and do that for the sake of it. So it's going to show you the object you're going to delete is the database. Yeah, I want to delete that. Okay, it's boom, that's gone. db3 is gone. Now let's try to delete the db2. I'm going to drop, that's the statement I'm going to write down, drop database db2. So even though it's warning me saying you do not have permission, but I know I have a permission, so I'm going to go ahead and select drop database sample db2. Go ahead and execute the statement. Command completed successful. Now you still see that because we haven't refreshed it, right? Let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, sometime it takes a moment to go get that away. Go there. It takes a moment sometimes, so let's do that and take a look. There you go. See, like I just mentioned, I had to refresh this sample db2, which we already dropped it. Dropping will remove entire object, so entire object has been gone, so sample db2 is gone. And this is how we can create or drop our database in SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and keep watching for more videos.